Mount Nathan is situated in the Gold Coast hinterland, and located in one of the most sought-after areas is the magnificent handcrafted brick homestead Crystal Creek. The impressive estate is over 3.3 hectares, and as you travel down the driveway, you see the beautiful 4-bedroom home with a separate guest house. The modern open-plan kitchen with Italian marble granite benchtops and casual living leads out to an outdoor wraparound veranda, which has sweeping views amid lush rainforest. The main living room provides a cozy retreat with a slow combustion fireplace for those cooler winter nights. The parents' retreat has a large ensuite, sunken bath and walk-in robe opening onto a Florida room, which is a fabulous place to chill out with a book. The family enjoy endless hours relaxing around the tropical resort-style pool, embracing the lifestyle and privacy. The home lends itself to shared living for multi-generational families, Airbnb, or operate as a hobby farm. Crystal Creek is a rejuvenated native landscape that is a haven for wildlife. The property has established fruit trees and vegetable gardens irrigated from one of 3 dams. Sweeping views are enjoyed from the wraparound verandas amid lush rainforest. An ideal retreat lifestyle opportunity within easy reach of Gold Coast beaches, Byron Bay, or a commute to Brisbane. If you could image yourself living here amongst nature's playground, then we look forward to meeting you at one of our open homes.